Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. We have Boxycharm. So I only have one. The other one will be here whenever. So we're not going to wait. But this is my not so comfortable with makeup. Yes, 2.14 pounds. It is very heavy. And my other profile is like okay with makeup, you know, more of my profile. So let's get into it and see if the $25 a month base box is worth it. There we go. I don't know if you saw anything, but let's see. So Boxycharm, go all out. I love this picture. I see a camera, another camera, very nice. So choice day was a hot mess for September, right? That'll be for September. Hot mess. It made me wait in line like I was at some sort of checkout. But okay, anyway, they had really good deals today. So I'll be posting this today if you go check out Boxycharm add-ons. Really good deals. So on the back of the card, it'll tell you what you got and how much. Ooh! So I got Give Them Lala. You know, I just got this on add-ons. So this is the Grown Woman palette. I do have the Pretty palette and I love it. So let's see how much they say. This is $42. The Grown Woman palette. So it says Earthy Sunset, Colored Mattes, and Foiled Shades. 9 highly pigmented shades. So I do have the Pretty palette and they are really pigmented. So same classic Give Them Lala. Ooh. And all of her shades are based off of her. So I see The Wife. I see Boss Lady, like Boss Lady Denise. Stepmom, she is a stepmom. I Do, The Ring, Bridal Party, Say Yes, Cabo Kisses, and Princess of Bel-Air. Very cute. And I really do actually love her stuff. So I'm going to use it. Let's just swatch. I normally don't, but I'm going to go with the shimmers. So I Do, ooh, super soft. Princess of Bel-Air and Say Yes. How about one more? And The Ring. So you can see she is not playing around. And it does have a nice mirror. So I say win on that one. Now, I wouldn't ordinarily pay $42, but I will tell you that Boxycharm add-ons, it was under 10, if I can remember. So, all right, next. Ooh, heavy. Clean Skin. This is probably why the box was so heavy. Clean Skin Club. Ooh, this is a Clean Slate Clearing Mist. $38. It has AHAs and BHAs and eucalyptus oils. All sounds really nice. 100 mLs. And I think we got an oil from them or something. Look at this packaging. Very nice. Very like tropical. Okay, so let's see. Sort of refreshing. I guess that is the eucalyptus. It says it has rose extract. Okay. I do like that. Hold about 6 inches. So I don't know if that was 6 inches. Totally worth it. Ooh, I think this was the choice. $35. Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This is huge. I mean, look at it next to the palette. It's huge. It's huge. This is medium bronze. Oh gosh, this might be too dark. I mean, look at this. Very nice packaging. Wow. Maybe not. That might be okay. That really might be okay. No scent. Very, very nice. Come on. Next up, ooh, Kate Somerville Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. $70. It says that it smooths fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. Okay. I've heard a lot of people talk about this Exfolikate. Here's the packaging. Very pricey. Ooh, I like when they have the little doodad. All right. So I definitely love skincare, so I will use it. I'm not going to pay $70. I'll tell you that right now. And last in our box is Jekka Black. It is Play Pot. Our cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, cheeks. Vegan and cruelty-free, $21.50. So which one? We got Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. Let's see what you look like. Okay. I don't know how you open it. Oh, from the side. Okay. Okay. So that's the outside. You can see the color there. Ooh. Ooh. See, I wouldn't use that on my lips, but I'll put that to the side. Not even gonna get into it. But so we got this shimmer, lip, cheek, all the above. Exfolikate. We got a mist, clearing mist, which I like that. Bronzer, very pretty and huge. And the Give Them Lala palette. I really like this one, okay? And if you haven't seen my Ipsy Plus, which is also $25, go ahead and check that one out and see which one you think is better, Boxycharm or Ipsy this month. It's a close one. And I thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of the channel. Until next time, guys, stay safe.